to all our viewers out there. My name is Heinrich Neetling and welcome to Mathematical Literacy. In today's lesson, we'll focus on instruction and assembly diagrams. Now guys, let me share something interesting with you. So why are assembly instructions so important? It reduces risk because the likelihood of things going wrong is lessened. Also, it improves efficiency. Instructions ensure the very best way of doing a job is clear and known to the people doing it. All right, so what are our lesson objectives? So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to, first of all, understand, right, and successfully use the instructions in diagrams. You must understand symbols and notations in the given diagrams, whether it's plans or pictures. Then you must be able to determine quantities of materials needed using the plan or instruction. And then also describe, very important to note, right? Describe in words the necessary steps in assembling items. So that is our lesson objectives. Now, what else is important, right? As I've indicated, the focus of today's lesson is the instruction and assembly diagrams. So we'll be looking at some explanation, and thereafter we'll do some examples. So let's look at important language, right? So I indicated here that some products, like furniture, that you purchase from a store occasionally come partially constructed, right? Then the item would then need you, okay, to put it together, you, the client or the buyer. Then also, these products typically include a manual, right? And or a diagram with notes telling you what exactly to do. Okay, so let's quickly look at some general knowledge you should have now. Okay, so the first question here says, define the term assembly instructions. So basically, what is assembling instructions? So we are saying here that assembly instructions refers to, right? So it refers to text, meaning words, right? So that text is normally brief sentences. Okay? And what does that tells us? Okay, that indicates to us, right, that specifies, it indicates to us. So specifies how to put something together. Guys, are we clear on that? So I'm going to read this to you again. So what is assembling instructions? It is basically, it refers to text, right? That's the first thing that's important. And it's normally brief sentences that specifies to us how to put something together depending on what you bought, right? Second question here, it says name one commonly used item when assembling items. Okay, so immediately I think of a screwdriver, for example. I'm sure you can think of other things as well, hammer, for example, but we said name one commonly used item when assembling items. So I indicated here a screwdriver. Right, let's look at our next question. Question number 3, we are saying state whether the following statement is true or false. Now let's see what our statement is. Here we are saying assembly diagrams are labeled, annotated images that show step-by-step instructions on how to put something together. All right, so looking at this statement, that's indeed true. So an assembly instruction is definitely labeled, annotated images that shows to us step-by-step, right, on how to put something together. Okay, guys, let's now move on and look at more important language that is applicable in our lesson today. So here I said the phrase instruction for assembling refers to text, as I've asked you in question number 1, right? And it's often brief sentences that specifies how to put something together. Basically an outline of how to put something together. Also important, assembly diagrams are labeled, annotated images that show step-by-step instructions on how to put something together. Okay, so here we have a brief introduction of what our lesson is going to be all about. Let us take a quick break. After the break, we'll put all of this into context. See you after the break.